In this video, we will walk you through the seamless process of completing your admission. Once you open the link, the admissions portal will appear. Now, enter your first name, last name, and email address. Next, fill in your international student ID if applicable, CNIC number, and contact number. Select your gender, then click on Sign Up. You will now receive your username and password through both email and SMS. Use these credentials to sign in. Once signed in, a new tab will open. Click on Application. Here, enter your admission details, select your campus, choose the semester you're applying for, select your program, choose your shift. At the bottom, you will see three icons. Are you a graduate? Any disability? Readmission or applying for transfer or migration? Fill these accordingly. Now, update your personal information: province, domicile, date of birth, religion, blood group, last institute attended, how you heard about us. Next, enter your family details: father's name, status, CNIC, and contact number. Father's education and profession. Mother's name, education, and profession. Siblings details. Update all the information. Now, add your current address details: country, city, current address, area, zip code. If your permanent address is the same, simply select permanent address. If different, kindly fill in your permanent address details. Next, update your education details. Degree level from the drop-down menu. Degree name, specialization if any, passing year, result status. Then fill in the following: total marks, obtained marks, percentage, institute name, board roll number, board name. Attach your last degree document. Repeat the same process for your intermediate education details. Click on Save and Next. Now, upload the following documents: CNIC front and back, domicile, father's CNIC. Carefully read the terms and conditions, then click to agree. Your bank challan will now appear. Upload the paid invoice on the portal. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the admission process.